Hello everyone. Did you know that multi-start genetic algorithm is an optimization technique that enhances the traditional genetic algorithm by running it multiple times from different randomly generated starting populations? Each independent run explores a different region of the search space, helping to avoid premature convergence to local optima and increasing the likelihood of finding a global optimum. After all runs are completed, the best solutions are compared or combined for refinement. This approach improves exploration and solution quality, especially for complex, nonlinear, or multimodal optimization problems, though it requires more computational effort. What do you think about multi-start genetic algorithm? Do you want to use this technique in your research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.